Hey kindergarten, it's Mrs. Books, and today's book that I want you to read is called My Pet Dinosaur. And this is a great story. The boy wants you to know all the things that his pet dinosaur can do. And we're going to be able to practice some of our new strategies in this book. And so I thought I would just walk you through it and see what we can come up with together. It says, what can the pet dinosaur do? So that's what they want you to remember. Oh, my pet dinosaur can, and see how I highlighted that word? I wanted you to see a chunk in it. Do you see the ch right there? Well, let's stretch these three letters, and then we're going to put the ch at the end. Ready? F-et, fet, ch. Fetch. If you don't know what fetch means, it means he can go chase the ball and bring it back. That word is fetched. We used chunky monkey strategy. That one I don't think you're going to need my help on, but this one I thought you might. And look, I see a magic E at the end, so I'm going to make sure that vowel right there says its name, and I do see a chunk. So I'm going to use two strategies to figure out that word. I'm going to use flip the vowel, and I'm going to use my chunks. So here we go. Sh-a-k, shake. Let's look at, do you see a little word in there? Do you see and? Okay, let's figure that word out. Let's use that to help us figure it out. Ands. My pet dinosaur can shake hands. See how those strategies are really helping us with new big words? That one you're not going to need help. That one you're not going to need help. Oh my gosh, he can roar. You're not going to need help. Ugh, yuck. You're not going to need help. Ah. Here's a chunky monkey one. I thought you might see two little words in. Cannot. And here's a magic E word. So we're not going to say id. We're going to flip the vowel to I. My pet dinosaur cannot hide. He cannot hide. Boys and girls, this should be a book you could read all by yourself. And so I hope you enjoy it and read My Pet Dinosaur. And that was the end of this book. You can go find it right now on A to Z Kids and read it for yourself. Thanks, kids.